Good morning to all. Welcome to Blue Star Higher Secondary School online class. Class 8, Subject Physical Science, Chapter 4, Lesson name Metals and Non-Metals. Students, last class we saw synthetic fibers and plastics. Next, we will going to see about metals and non-metals. The topics to be covered by introduction, physical properties of metal and non-metal, chemical properties of metal and non-metal, reaction with oxygen, reaction with water, reaction with acids, reaction with base. These topics are covered by chemical properties of metal and non-metal. Next, displacement reaction. Finally, this lesson concluded that uses of metal and non-metal. First, introduction. First part, introductions. First, what is mean by metal? What is mean by metal? Define metal or anyone. First, the metal is defined as the elements which form positive ions. So, elements which form positive ions. To produce positive ions or cations losing electrons, or cations by losing electrons, or cations by losing electron. This is known as the metal. This is known as the metal. Next one is the non-metal. What is mean by non-metal? So, non-metal is defined as the elements which form negative ions. What is that? Negative ions. Or by gaining electrons. By gaining electron. That is the basic differences. So metal is cation by losing electrons. Non-metal means anions by gaining electrons. Metal or losing electrons, non-metals are gaining electrons. That is the basic difference between the metal and non-metal. Next, I asking one question for you. Why should we study metals? Why should we study metal? எதுக்காக நம்ம metals பற்றி படிக்கணும்? Students, any idea? Yes, in day to day our life, used to lot of material. These materials are made up of metal. These materials are made up of metals. These materials are made up of metals. For first example, jewels. What is that? Jewels. It is common to you. It is common to you. You know metals, gold, silver. It is the jewels. That is the jewels. This is common to you. Your mom and sisters wearing with chain, bangles, earring, gold and silver. All are made up of metals. All are made up of metals. Silver, gold, these are metals. All are made up of metals. All are made up of metals. So next one example, what is that? You know? Yes, next one is the tiny nail. What is my tiny nail? Any guesses, any idea? Yes, சின்னதா ஆணி இருக்கும் பார்த்திருக்கீங்களா? Yes, that is the tiny nail, which is very important for furniture making. Tiny nail is used to important for furniture making, for constructing, for lot of things different part of furniture and different part of many things joined together with the help of tiny nails, and they are made up of iron, tiny nail are made up of iron, Iron is a metal. So the tiny nail is made up of metals. Next, fencing wire. What is that? Fencing wire. Next one is the fencing wire. Fencing wire used for the protection. Fencing wire used for the protection purposes. Fencing wire used for the protection purposes. These are made up of mostly used in metals. Fencing wire is used to the protection, used for protection purposes. Those fencing wire is made up of metals. This fencing wire is made up of metal. This fencing wire is made up of metals. Next, not only that, the guns. Next one is the guns. Guns is used for metal. The bullets are metals. The bullets are made up of metals. Next, a lot of things like refrigerator. Bicycle, bike, cars. These are things are made up of metals. Example of metals and non-metals. Example of metals are aluminium. The example of metals are aluminium, copper, iron, gold and silver. The example of non-metals are hydrogen, helium, chlorine, fluorine, carbon, nitrogens, etc. These are the example of metals and non-metals. Next we will see appearance of hardness and materials. So which of the materials? Iron, coal, sulfur, aluminium and copper. Then next one is the appearance. Appearance means shiny or dull. Next, hardness, very hard and soft. Which one is appearance is shiny, which one is hardness and soft? First we will see iron. Iron. Iron is a shiny material. And hardness is very hard. Next one is the coal. Coal is a appearance is dull. The hardness is not very hard. Third one is the sulfur. The appearance is dull. And the hardness very hard and not very hard. This is a not very hard. Fourth one is the aluminium. Aluminium is a shiny material. This is the very hard. And copper is the shiny material. This is hardness is very hard. This is the sum of the objects and materials. Which one is shiny and which one is hardness and softness? Student, this is chapter 4, metals and non-metals. Introduction, objectives. This is mind map for you. This is mind map for you. Under the topics covered by, already I told, physical properties of metals and non-metals, chemical properties of metals and non-metals, uses of metals and non-metals. Student, this is D words for you. So these are D words are atom, conductor, ductility, element, hardness, malleability, metalloids, non-metals, sonorous and metals. So these D words are read in your home. Students, I have attached one videos for this introduction. So all of you watch these videos. So learn in the D words in your home. Thank you, students.